Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the 5 best car mount for Samsung S22 Ultra you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a large and heavy smartphone. Any standard car mount will struggle to support this phone's weight and size. Even if you manage to locate it, the phone may end up on the car floor or simply fall out. Fortunately, there are a few car mounts available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. These phone mounts straddle the line between cheap and expensive phone accessories. They are also long-lasting. Here are the best car mounts for your Galaxy S22 Ultra if you're looking for one. Consider these wireless chargers for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. With these handy tips and tricks, you can get the most out of your Samsung Galaxy S22. I have prepared this video guide for the 5 best car mount for Samsung S22 Ultra, so let's get started. 5. Mupper auto clamping. The Mupper phone mount does double duty by holding your phone and wirelessly charging it. It includes a lot of useful features for the price. For starters, it provides 10 watts of power to Samsung phones. Second, like its counterpart above, it is an auto clamping phone mount, so you don't have to go through the hassle of manually inserting your phone. At its core, the Mupper phone mount is an air vent mount that works with a variety of air vents. The arms and stand below, like all premium air vents, are flexible enough to accommodate larger phones. It performs as expected, with a secure grip and a rotatable mount. The installation procedure is straightforward. Our car phone holder features high-speed wireless charging technology for safe and quick charging. It is compatible with all wireless charging phones and is designed to fit most car air vents. Please connect the phone mount to a USB charging port in your vehicle before using the phone wireless charger. Check to see if the car charger adapter is working properly. If not, try another adapter. If the thickness of the phone case exceeds 4 mm, it is recommended that the phone case be removed and the test be repeated. You can still clamp or release your phone by pressing the release buttons 2 or 3 times. No need to worry if you forget to take your phone out of the mount when the car is turned off. 4. iOTtie Easy One Touch 5. The iOTtie Easy One Touch 5 is another suction phone mount for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's a touch-based mount, as the name suggests. Simply press your S22 Ultra against the mount's bed, and the arms will close on their own. Isn't that cool? It's a suction mount that sits on the dashboard, as previously stated. And, like the one shown above, it has a telescopic arm that extends and pivots the phone to the desired location. These features aid in hands-free navigation and call answering. The suction and adhesion are strong, and it stays in place even in hot weather. At the same time, the arms and the base can easily accommodate larger people. Place your phone against the trigger button while quickly pressing the locking side arms. The arms of the mount will automatically close, securing your device while you drive. The patented Easy One Touch mechanism allows you to mount or remove your phone in seconds. New, larger Easy One Touch button with universal cradle that fits all smartphones and cases. Use the magnetic tab near the bottom foot to keep charging cables neatly organized. The improved telescopic arm now extends from 5 to 8 inches, as opposed to the Easy One Touch 4's 6.5-inch extension and 260-degree pivot. This allows for a variety of customized viewing angles while driving. You can make simple and secure adjustments. 3. Vixxed. The adjustable tray at the bottom of the Vixxed car phone mount gives it a significant advantage over the Mongura phone mount. This feature facilitates the adjustment of large phones such as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Another useful feature is the soft release button, which makes removing the phone a breeze. It's a versatile phone mount that allows you to easily switch between portrait and landscape modes. You can also use the flexible noose to position the phone to your liking. The Vixxed phone mount is well liked on Amazon due to its durability. Users appreciate the fact that it remains in place. A user stated that they rode 1,500 miles without having to adjust or tighten the phone mount. The Vixxed phone car holder with the new improved vent clip will not break or fall off. The car phone mount easily and securely attaches to the majority of the air vents. If you take a few seconds to properly install it, the car phone holder will stay in place if you hit a bump or make a sharper turn. It ensures a distraction-free driving environment. Forget about the easily scratched plastic panel phone mount. Vixxed's car phone holder features an upgraded high-density silicone material with excellent resilience. The phone car mount is covered in a thick layer of silicone, which protects your mobile device from wear and tear. The innovative design leaves no scratches on mobile devices. 2. Lancaster. The Lancaster phone holder is distinct from the other phone holders on this list. Unlike most holders, which are mounted on the windshield or an air vent, this one is installed on the car dashboard. It's a sturdy stand with a firm grip on the phone. The only restriction is that your car's dashboard must have a flat area to accommodate the mount. It's a low-profile case that stays securely in place. Furthermore, the silicone of the mount prevents unsightly scratch marks on the phone. The phone is simple to insert and remove. All you have to do is place it in the slot. The Lancaster phone holder is popular on Amazon and has received positive feedback from customers. The dashboard cell phone holder is designed to fit most cell phones and GPS devices that are 612 mm thick. Its soft silicone textured bottom and sticky pads protect the phone from bumping, scratching, or flying out during emergency braking, sudden stops, and sharp turns. The car phone holder's bottom is made of high-tech adhesives. Simply rinse and dry it, and it will be as good as new. Before laying the holder on, remove the sticky film from the bottom of the car phone holder and make sure your car dashboard surface is dry and clean, no dust. 1. Mongura. Mongura Universal Phone Mount is a low-cost air vent mount. It has a standard design with arms on both sides and a stand at the bottom to hold the phone in place. It is designed to fit the air vent on your car's dashboard and can be rotated 360 degrees to switch your phone from portrait to landscape mode. It is strong enough to withstand road bumps and stays in place. Of course, the mount will move slightly as you drive through a bad patch. Having said that, the mount is simple to use. To remove the phone, simply press the button. At the same time, the slot between the stands allows you to route the charging cable to another location. Simple to use with one hand. With one hand, insert and remove your device. It is the most convenient and user-friendly universal car phone holder on the market. Special lock mounts car phone holder to air vent extra securely to prevent car mount from falling out. Installing the car holder is simple. The metal tightening thread and nut, as well as the special locking clip that clings to the vent plate, provide absolute fixation. A car mount silicone finish surface provides a firm grip. A Mongura cell phone car mount's full 360-degree rotation provides the best viewing angle. The vent phone holder keeps you safe while you're talking, navigating, listening to music, or charging. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best car mount for Samsung S22 Ultra. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.